Good afternoon. Today, time to cooking. Time to make my pasta. And this is my ingredients. Onions, carrot, potato. This is only DIY. Cheese, corned beef, paprika, oil. And this is for the dinner, chicken and string beans. This is my pasta now. It's boiling now. It's my penne pasta. And this is my chicken adobo. Thank you for watching my video about my cooking. And by the way guys, I got fruits now here, rambutan and Filipino banana. It's called saba. This is the banana here in the Philippines, like that. So now it's time to eat because it's a season of rambutan now. Thanks guys. Good afternoon.